How to buy BnBro token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money and work on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 8 hours ago and increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here allowed by 100%. That's good. That's meaning investment in a safe place. This token trending number 2 in the Binance Smart Chain section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. Open your BitGet wallet for that. Click on your wallet here and select the BNB chain as a network. After that, click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here. As you can see, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called BnBro. As you can see, now click on it. Here, click on swap, switch from here. As you can see, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT, of course, on your wallet before going on buy this token. After that, type here how much you want to buy. In a few seconds, you will be able to see here how much you will be able to receive that token. So as you can see, now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy BnBro token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.